Do you know you can receive free money on your mobile money just by using your mobile money to do transactions such as sending and receiving money on your mobile money, using your mobile money to do airtime, as well as using mobile money to pay merchant IDs and also use it to pay bills? Yes, you earn and also get free money on your MTN mobile money just by doing that. And today I received 178 cedis on my mobile money just by using mobile money to do transactions as well as sending and receiving airtime and others on my mobile money. So if you want to also earn on your mobile money by just doing this task, all that you have to do is to dial the code *595# *595#. Yes, this code, when you dial it, you are going to have access to receiving interest on your mobile money. Yes, and with this interest that you are going to earn, it's just simple. Not necessarily that you have to save money on your mobile money. No, all that you have to do is to be using your mobile money to send and receive money, purchase airtime and data, as well as using your mobile money to pay merchant ID and also pay bills. Yes, that's how you increases your interest on your mobile money. So after that, the code *595# *595# as you see on the screen, then you see it says, yellow, do you wish to receive interest on your mobile money? You have option 1, that is yes. Option 2, that is no. And option 3 is what? So you just choose option 1 so as to be connected on receiving interest on your mobile money every 3 months, in every 3 months. So with this code, if you dial it and activate it with yes, that's you choose option 1 to activate it, you are going to be paid in every 3 months. And this is how I was paid just by using my mobile money to perform such a task. Okay, this is cool. So you can also start enjoying or receiving higher interest on your mobile money by just sending or receiving money on your mobile money, as well as using it to buy data and also buy airtime, and also using it to pay merchant IDs and to pay bills. That's how I earn huge like this on my MTN interest. Okay, with this MTN interest, it is free money. That is not that you are going to invest your money somewhere. No, the money that is in your mobile money account, you can use it to buy data, purchase data, and also buy airtime and the rest. Okay, and you are going to earn. If this interest is about saving money on your phone, then there would be no yellow save and the rest on the MTN this thing. Okay, so that's how I earn this money on my mobile money as free. That's for free. Okay, you can also try this so as to start earning interest on your mobile money. Here is the Talk Tech as the name goes. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, so do not forget to share this video to your friends so as to benefit from this video. Here is the Talk Tech, that is the talk of the tech.